Now we're going to record the CD on my CD player right here. So first we'll adjust the level to make sure we're not saturating, so the view meter should never go in the red. We're going to adjust for maximum 0 dB. So now just hit record, play, and pause. So we're going to release the pause and start playing the CD, and we're going to record. So now we're recording in the forward mode. So this is the source, and this is the tape. Recording at high speed. So now we're going to record in the reverse direction. Same thing. This is the source. And this is the tape. So now we're going to record at low speed in both directions. I just engaged the DBX just to show that the DBX works and that the sound is still good. So we're going to record in the forward direction. So this is the source, and this is the tape. This is the source, the tape. Now we're going to record in the reverse direction. Still at low speed. This is the source, and this is the tape. Now we're going to rewind and auto stop at the end of the tape as soon as the rewind is finished. Auto stop.